Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this Ring stick-up cam with the solar panel. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's tackle this Ring stick-up cam first. So let's see what this baby has inside. So looking at it, it's very basic. It does have your battery pack. This one, if you do not have a solar powered rechargeable battery station, you would have to be charging this every so often. But this one, like my other video on the Ring doorbell, this is probably going to take 4 to 6 hours to charge. So very first thing before you do anything else, I would take it out of the box and charge this before you even get excited about installing it and having this ready to go. So this one comes with the battery pack and the charging cable. You just need the head that goes into the wall socket. So that goes with that. It has some mounting brackets here, mounting screws. It has your video camera here. I mean your camera here, and then it also comes with instructions and your decal here saying it's protected by Ring. Your QR code that you're going to use to scan to download the app. You also have the installation guide. And you have a little bit more information. Now, from what I read so far, this one you can place it inside your home, kind of standing somewhere, like on top of your dresser or something like this. Or the way I'm gonna install them, outside. So I'm actually going to have to unscrew the base from here and somehow affix it this way so that I can orientate it that way. So as far as a Ring camera is concerned, this is basic. This one you do put to charge. I already said this, but I can't reiterate how long this thing takes to charge. I would put it to charge as soon as you bring it home from wherever you buy it. I do have a link on the description below if you do want to get this from Amazon. It's a quick link so that you guys don't have to look for it. It's already there. Just go ahead and just order it from there if you would wish. But this one, strongly recommend. As soon as you get it, even if you're not going to install it for the next 2 or 3 days, I would put it to charge, so that is the last thing you want to worry about is having to wait to get this charged. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside so I can do the unboxing of the solar panel. All right, here we go with the solar panel. All right, so what comes inside the box of this Ring solar panel? It's very basic. Again, we have your screwdriver here that if you're going to use Phillips on this side, and it also has the special key type of head here for security purposes. So you have that. It does come with an instruction manual on how to do it. It gives you more illustrations here. It does come with the hardware to screw this on. It does come with a bit, which I thought was pretty good. You don't have to guess the size. It comes with a mounting bracket, which I'm assuming goes somewhere like this. I haven't read the instructions yet, but we're gonna have to figure this out somehow. No, I'm probably gonna go this way. Yeah, there you go. It's gonna kind of go like that. And of course you have your solar powered cell, I guess you would call it, and the cable. This cable is pretty long. Now I'm just gonna wait for the battery to charge on my camera so we can go to the next step and do the actual installation of this. Alright, so once again, this battery does take forever to charge, so you're probably gonna end up having to do it overnight, or at least 6 to 8 hours. So just make sure this is ready to go. It's green. Next thing you want to do is we're going to go ahead and open up these boxes, and I'm gonna show you a couple of things, what to expect when you're gonna install this. So if you're going to install this to be inside the house, you really don't have to do anything else unless you're going to screw it in. It just stands like this, and you can record. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this outside, and I'm not going to have it standing up like this. I'm going to have it standing up, or I'm going to install it on the side of the wall. So in order for that to happen, I need to unscrew this here. Okay, because here on the side, in the back, it has this little plug here where this is going to go in here, and then I'm going to screw it in like this so that I can be able to have it this way. Okay, but before I can do that, this little plug that you got out of here, I would put it over here underneath so that nothing happens to it there. The next thing you want to do here is you need to secure this to the wall that you're going to be anchoring it to. Now if you're going to do it to some stucco siding, or if you're going to do it to concrete, you will need these anchors that come with this. But if not, all you have to do, this one, you just press it down, and the actual base of this is the one that's going to go on the wall. This one, with the screws that are in here, you're going to screw the screws going in here like this to the wall. And I'll show you a picture while I'm installing it. But you're going to get two of these. You're going to install them like so, like this, to the wall. And then afterwards, once you put this in here like this one comes in here and it just sits on it. Alright, there's also a security one here that you want to screw in afterwards. After you screw these two in and you put this back, you want to make sure you get the third long screw that's here, and make sure you screw it in here. You take this little plastic off, you screw it in there so that they can't take it off. After that, you go through your setup on your phone. It'll show you how to do the setup on your phone, and then from there you'll go ahead and go through the rest of that process. Okay, so that takes care of this, the camera part of it. It's a simple, very simple installation. Should take you no more than about 10 minutes to install. What I've seen that takes the longest is, of course, the battery having to charge, and the actual installation of the app on your phone and allowing it to do the updates, all that. I believe that takes longer than the install itself. Now this one is very similar too. This is your solar powered one, if you're gonna have it solar powered. This one does come with a screwdriver and a bit. This bit is used in case you're going to mount it on a cement wall, or a stucco wall, or a cinder block wall. If you're not, you're gonna use it on wood, you would only use the screws that come with it without the anchors. And the way this works, and again, I'll show you all this as I'm doing it. You're gonna get two of these screws. They're gonna go in here. You're gonna screw this to the wall, and then this is gonna go in like this, and that's gonna be on the wall. After that, you just connect it. The connection for the power is right here. You just remove this, and you connect the power right there. All right, so let's go ahead and install these, and we'll show you the end product.